Following is an analysis of But Beautiful measures 1 through 8. We're starting out with a device called contrary motion. Between the treble and the bass voice we have a contrary motion device. The treble voice is ascending, the bass voice descending. The first complete measure, all I did there in beats 3 and 4, beat 3 I use part of a G Ionian scale, G major scale, then a harmonization in sixths, measure 2, in measure 2 I use a device called an upper neighbor tone. First we have the block chord, the upper neighbor tone G, and then a little descent. That would actually be B Locrian mode, the most obscure of the modes, B. So we're utilizing the B Locrian mode in that B half diminished seventh chord harmonization. Measure 3. Again, rhythmic drive is added by that dotted quarter note figure in the bass. Measure 4. Measure 4, we use a C sharp half diminished arpeggio in beat 2, followed by a chromatic passing tone section in beat 3. And of course the F sharp dominant 7 flat 9 chord first inversion in the last beat. Measure 5. Measure 5 I use a pedal. First I went from the G major 7 to the G6 chord, then I included the pedal D. Then on B4 I used parallel motion, playing a G chord in second inversion, followed by a G flat chord, also in second inversion. So I'll do that again. Measure 6. Measure 6, I use the block chord, the B half diminished block chord, and then B2, the B half diminished seventh arpeggio, in sextuplets, and then a chromatic section B3. Measure number 7. That's somewhat awkward, that particular measure, but in order to accomplish what I'm trying to do in the bass line, it was necessary. I have an ascending bass line, part of which is chromatic, but it's difficult technically to realize that. And the last chord, beat number 3, is a close position A dominant ninth chord. And then the final measure 8. Beats 1 and 2 I use an A ninth arpeggio and an A7 flat 9 arpeggio in beat number 3 and a chromatic run in the 4th beat. So A ninth, 16th notes, A dominant 7 flat 9, and then the chromatic run. And that'll conclude this analysis. Thank you.